Where do you want to start?
Scotty, you've been doing a little
Been a little
something,
bit of a
something.
busy beaver today.
A little busy beaver on the Mr. Halston here. Wait. You aligned
Oh, the headlights.
the headlight doors.
Yes.
That
They're
one's a
now-
little twisted,
Yeah,
but
so I'm not going to worry about getting it absolutely, oh my God, perfect.
but holy hell, they're way better.
Oh yeah,
Because
I
they
mean,
were
just
all over
look
the
so
fucking
nice.
place. So Scotty did that quick. Scotty's
And then
got your
we did-
trim back
We've
on.
got the trim fixed so that it's back on like it's supposed to be. It's not coming off.
It's a little wonky still, but that's because it's bent and twisted.
Well,
but
if we get the plastics, I can get it straightened out. It's not a major big deal, which is good. And then,
oh yeah, the door handle.
door handle is fixed.
So it stays.
It's not coming off. I just got to wipe it down. I got it a little dirty.
And
I got it dirty.
And the mirror.
Now, will actually stay still
Stay
when you
put.
put it in a spot.
All right.
God,
So
I love this car. Wait, Anne Murray, A Country Collection on 8-track.
yes, sir.
You
Hey,
gotta love it.
Scott knows what's good.
Oh yeah, no, good guy, good guy. We
So-
like him. And we gave it a quickie bath.
A little
'cause it
quickie
needed
bath
it.
because it was filthy because it was
Yes.
living out in the carport at a friend's for a little while.
Yeah.
Under the hood,
Yes. Let's
our
get
cooling system because he overheated. That's why he's originally here. But we took care of all these little baby details
there. Okay. So
And-
unfortunately he got caught in our.
in the storm.
Yeah.
So when this was here last, it got flushed and cleaned and all that inside. Well, it's still icky because
Yeah.
I'm sure the block is full of gook. So we're gonna give this another flush. That's obviously why you overheated.
Yep.
Gonna give her a flush. Check the timing, adjust the carb, and then send this baby home.
Yep.
So we're gonna drain this and flush it, and then probably flush it again, and then
And then when we're
fill it.
done doing that, we're gonna flush it again.
You're gonna flush it twice or
Gonna
three
f-
times.
With as bad as this is, I'm almost thinking we need to do it 3 times.
All right. Well, we're gonna do it.
Run it some really good high RPMs for a couple of moments here and there.
Not higher PM, but just $2
Yeah.
grand. You let it warm up, clean it all up. Have at it. All right. So we're gonna be doing some fleshy. That'll be going today.
And ooh, do we want to show them the new car that came in?
Oh no, we'll do that in its own video.
Okay.
We'll do that in its own video.
Sounds good. But we have.
But I'm gonna do a little teaser.
Do it real quick. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
Unlike
Scotty
Scott.
really likes that.
Unlike Scotty. who's not.
Well, I forgot to do the Bondo and Spackle today.
you
so,
definitely
you know.
need to do your makeup.
Yes, I do. It's
Okay, so this is.
dry heat's getting just so bad.
Oh Jesus. Okay, this is getting drained.
Yep.
We're gonna drain the main vein.
Woohoo!
All right. So let's do it. Hey.
Let's do it. Do it.
do it, Al.
Do it.
Do it.
Because I'm thinking the best for this, run the hose in here after we run it, drain it, put some flushing stuff in it, run it really, really good, turn it off, get the pressure out of it, disconnect it here, and point it down.
Yeah, and just
Put the hose in and just
through.
turn the car on and just let it.
circulate shit
Yep.
till it's clear.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's going to be the easiest route to go. This way we
and
don't
then we'll
have
drain
to...
the block and we'll fill it with fresh 50/50 premix. And
Well, the
down
good
the
part
road.
is with that, doing it this way, with it constantly running, it'll flush the block for us.
Yes, I know, but then we have to drain the water out of the block before we put premix in.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
But that's easy. All right, so we're gonna do that here in a little bit. Moving on. So, just cracked the petcock. Andre, laugh about petcock.
Petcock. I have a petcock.
I'm sure. All right, so. Come on. Wow, it barely wants to flow out.
So it most likely has sludge in it.
Yeah, it's definitely sludged up.
Nice ass, bitch.
Which one, me or Andre?
Ready?
Mine
Just
goes
look up.
Well, hold on. This is some slimy shit. Hang on, buddy. I'm videoing. Is that the petcock all the way open? And it's barely draining, Scotty, because look at that.
Oh, my God.
Yeah. And we just flushed this, what, November? What was the date on that?
November.
Yeah.
So almost a year ago.
Yeah, but it's been barely driven. But look at that. So I'm actually going to pull that petcock out after it drains.
Yep.
And we will start flushing. It's definitely sucking. All right, so we're running it. Got some cleaner in her. New, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna drain this out. Put another cycle of cleaner through it and actually drive it. All right, so after our first go around, notice how much better it's flowing out of the drain. It's definitely scrubbed some shit out of there. Now we're flowing clean. Better.